For 2 years, I worked in the stem cell and regenerative biology department at Harvard University. And working in the Richard Lee lab, we were very cardiomyocyte focused and cardiology focused. Working with stem cells poses a lot of challenges, one being maintenance and expansion. Ultimately, for us, these cardiomyocytes that we derive from stem cells, we will need billions and billions of stem cells. However, the main hurdle has been finding a good system to produce 3D cells, both in the stem cell state as well as in the cardiomyocyte state once they're already differentiated. Cardiomyocyte specific, we find that the three-dimensional model to differentiate our cardiomyocytes more similarly mimics the heart. And in our research and our intent is to use these three-dimensional aggregates that are our cardiomyocytes to be able to inject them into the heart. And what we find is that in 3D, the cells are more compact. While our lab has an intent on translating our work into a clinical setting and using our cardiomyocytes as stem cell therapy, there are a lot of other uses for maintaining a three-dimensional system. Ultimately, we find that in 3D aggregates of our differentiated cells, they more similarly mimic the organ that we're trying to achieve. And right now, in a lot of fields especially, organoids are a hot topic, and that using the StemScale in a 3D system ultimately can help us mimic these organs and create these organoids at a higher efficiency. Also, if we're able to produce higher levels of your differentiated cells, you're able to produce better results and do better biological assays on the cells that you wouldn't say need to use a mouse model for, and rather you have a human stem cell line now differentiated into a cell type of your choice where you're able to study the function and perform as many assays as you'd like. So ultimately, the transition is quite easy. The need to come in on the weekends isn't a necessity, and it's quite easy to transition from an inherent model to a three-dimensional model. Ultimately, StemScale has provided us a simple and easy way to produce the cells we need to do the science we want.